Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. When I follow my heart, it leads me to you. I wish I could turn back the clock. I'd find you sooner and love you longer. I just want to lay on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. I love you more than I have ever found a way to say to you. True love is rare, and it's the only thing that gives life real meaning. My love for you is a journey, starting at forever and ending at never. You're my person. If I know what love is, it is because of you. If I had to choose between breathing and loving you, I would use my last breath to tell you I love you. I swear I couldn't love you more than I do right now, and yet I know I will tomorrow. True love stories never have endings. You are my heart, my life, my one and only thought. I never want to stop making memories with you. You're the one I've been waiting for. You are my favorite notification. I want all of you forever, you and me, every day. Grow old along with me, the best is yet to be. In your smile, I see something more beautiful than stars. You will forever be my always. I am in you and you in me, mutual in divine love. I love you more than yesterday, but not as much as tomorrow. With you, I am home. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. I look at you and see the rest of my life in front of my eyes.